So ever since Walmart's beauty box service revamped the way they do their boxes, it seems like they've only done like limited edition ones. They haven't done like the normal, like quarterly ones again yet. But of the ones they have done, they've done like a couple variants each time. And it started with the Halloween box. And because I'm me and seeing what was in them from the get-go, I wanted both. So I bought both. And it took freaking forever for them to arrive, just like the normal quarterly boxes do. To the point where I forgot these were even a thing till they showed up. And they showed up months apart from each other. I honestly thought I got scammed on one of them, but regardless, they're here. A lot of the items in both are indeed the same, but there are some differences to where I was like, oh hell yeah, give me that. So, let's see, what's here? Walmart Beauty box. Oh, it's got like a little cheat sheet thing, kind of like Ipsy. Oh, I see. So it's got like some info on them. That's fun. Alright, I'll keep that out here while I do it. So the first thing in here, this would have been so much nicer to have when my hair was still long. I guess it probably doesn't go bad, so I can just hang on to it for when it grows out. I have hair chalk. Do we remember when hair chalk was like the rage? I never actually owned any, but now I do apparently. Yep. So that is indeed a thing. You literally just like open it up, take a strand of hair, and you go and pull it down the shaft of your hair, and it colors it. Granted, it is literally chalk, so it's going to get all over everything. But your hair will look cool. I love how they show, like, on here, oh yeah, I did my entire head. It's like, no, you didn't. That is definitely not with hair chalk. Like, don't fucking lie. Don't fucking lie. But this would have been really nice to have with the long hair. I would have liked to have done it down in the lower tresses, but whatever. So this is Splat Hair Chalk, available in 7 vibrant shades. This temporary chalk slides on dry and instantly adds just the right touch of color to your tresses. Self-explanatory. So next, we've got a Revlon little quad. This might be the same in both, actually. That's a little disappointing, because I thought I had the other color variant, and I don't. This is the Revlon Color Stay in number 500, Addictive. It's very much a little neutral palette, so there's that. I guess neutrals are good. They're always useful. I'm gonna stick it in there for now. Create subtle and sultry looks that stay put with 4 rich shimmery shades that don't crease, fade, or smudge. I doubt that. It's Revlon. They're not that good. Spoiler. But I'll try it. Oh my god, look. It is the world's tiniest pack of makeup remover wipes. It's literally got 1 wipe in it. And for some reason that is ridiculously cute to me. It is such unnecessary packaging, but holy shit, that is cute. Like, really, makeup wipes don't cost that much. You could have just given us a pack. But they gave us literally 1 wipe. Fucking people of Walmart. These individually wrapped pre-moistened facial cleansing wipes gently and effectively dissolve traces of dirt, oil, and 99% of makeup, even stubborn waterproof mascara. Kind of. I'd like to argue them on that, but okay. I have these wipes, and they're okay, at best. By Hard Candy, we have a liquid liner with lash boost serum. Really? What color is this? Black to basic. Okay, so it's just black. I wasn't sure, because the barrel on this made it look like it's pink or something. I was like, ooh, what color is it? But first, eyeliner. From thin to thick lines, this matte eyeliner dries down quickly for a mess-free and easy-to-use application. I love how they totally don't even mention the, like, lash serum. Hasn't there been, like, a lot of controversy about lash serums lately? Let's see here. Even on here, it does not mention the lash serum. At all. That is ridiculous, but okay. Whatevs. It's liner anyway. This I'd be a lot more stoked for if I didn't now work at a job where I can't wear nail polish. I was really excited when I bought this. I bought this before I got my job, so... But it's by Simple Colors, which I actually really like. But funnily enough, in the booklet it looks like a metallic shade. This is not a metallic shade. But it is a really pretty shade. Easy to apply and remove, these fun shades offer bold color payoff, detailed texture, and over-the-top fun right at your fingertips. And a nice price, because honestly, these are cheap. Oh my god, the color name is Go-Go Girl. Oh, I want to wear it so bad, guys. You have no idea. You have no idea. Ah, god. Okay. Ooh, what's this? It's by NYX. Red Hot. Oh, it's lipstick. A Shout Loud a satin lipstick. This pigment-packed satin lipstick loads lips with intense, rich color and delivers up to 4 hours of hydration in just one swipe. Nice. Okay. Always love a nice red lipstick, so into the to-be-reviewed pile it goes. And last thing in this box is by Milani. It's the Pure Gold 24K Gold Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter. I am very iffy on this. If it indeed is that color, with my skin tone, do we really believe that's gonna work on me? Like, really? A beauty secret you'll want to keep for yourself. This illuminator includes ultrafine micro pearls to brighten features and give your complexion a glow that lasts all day. Which would be great if it weren't like frigging yellow gold. My god, like... What? I have to, like, see this to believe it. Let's open it. I have a bad feeling it's going to be very yellowy, and I have 2 of it, because there's one in the other box, too. I'm like, oh, shit. They couldn't have given us, like, a more wearable shade. Like, I'm sure somebody's skin tone will look good with this, but the rest of us, it's like, what the hell, dude? What am I supposed to do with that? Please just be the tube that's that color. It's not just the tube that's that color. It literally is that color. Oh my god, what? What? Okay, let's just get like a teeny tiny droppy. I'll just like swatch it on my hand or something, cause come on. Come on down. Come on down, the price is right. Okay. Little dabby dab. Okay, way more came out than I wanted it to. Holy shit. So, looks like that. I am not feeling very confident. Like, that is never gonna just look like a highlight on me. Well, maybe. Actually, wait. I don't think it'll be believable as a highlight, but maybe as like a really shimmery contour? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know about this one, guys. It's a little iffy. Like, it's darker than my skin tone, therefore, like, that's not gonna be believable on me as a highlight. I'm sure I'll find something to do with it, but highlighting ain't it. Like, oh my god. That... hard no. Hard no. And it just figures that of course, is in both boxes in the same color. Damn it. Now I'm gonna get all over everything. Maybe I should use my friggin' makeup wipe. Singular. Not plural. Oh, God. I would, but nah. Nah. Oh my god, I can't get it back in! That's not what she said. Is that how it goes? Something like that? No. Nope, that's not it. That still ain't it. Frankly, I kind of don't give a shit. Let me, where's my box cutter? There's my box cutter. I'm gonna just split through that plastic, because fuck this. This is too hard. Too hard. That's what she said. Okay. I just ruined that fucking box. I give up on it. It's lost cause. Okay, let's stick these back in that box. That definitely did not close correctly. Fuck. Why does everything hate me today? Try that again. Something like that. Anyway. Fine. Oh, it's still all over my finger. So in the other box, we have the other thing of exactly the same freaking thing. We have another lipstick in the shade The Best. I don't know what shade The Best is, but apparently it's a different color than Red Hot, so alright. Go off. We have literally the same motherfucking palette. Disappointment. Womp womp. One was supposed to be purple. You guys lied to me. This one doesn't even have the little booklet is the best part. It did not come with one. This is intriguing. This is by Hard Candy. It's Glitterazzi Crystal Lip Duo in Crushed Crimson. So, like, one side is this, like, literal stick of glitter that I feel like I'm so torn on because it's really pretty looking at it in the light, but thinking about that on my lips, I'm like, oh, fuck that. Oh, hell no, that is not happening. But then this side, the glossy side's like, oh, yes, give that one to me. Alright, I can hang with that one. But that just seems like it's gonna be like sand on the lips. Like, oh no, 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 that one's gonna be so bad. I'm not looking forward to that end of it, but you know I'm gonna put it on camera eventually. We have another Sinful Colors, but in another color. Ooh, what color is it? This is One Step Long-Lasting Technology of something. Step 1. What is it step 1 of? With Gel Tech, okay. I'm like, this is like that episode of South Park with the underwear gnomes. Step 1, steal underpants. Step 2. Step 3, profit. What the fuck is step 2? What is step 2? So this is a really pretty color though. I will give it that. It'd be nice if it'd mix in better. It's a little separated, but okay. It's in the shade Magic Dragon. It's pretty, but it's like got a lot of separation going on with the silver and the pigment. We've got, oh look, we have another single. Now we have 2 makeup wipes. Oh, look at Walmart being spendy as fuck. And then, last thing in here, we have the other hair chalk. This one's like a purpley color. What color is this? Sugar Plum. Honestly, this is the one I really wanted to use in my hair, and I'm like really sad that my hair is stupid short now and it just looks dumb now. But like, look how nice that looks in long hair. I want my long hair back. I wish I could just glue it back on. I have such remorse over chopping it because now it looks stupid and I hate it, but it's just hair. It'll grow back. It's just a slow process. Thank God my hair grows fast, but not fast enough for my liking. Yeah, so quite the difference between box 1 and box 2 in the amount of stuff in it and the quality of stuff in it, and just, it's like the first one they tried, the second one they kind of ran out of shit, like they didn't even put in the booklet. It's like they totally half-assed it, which, Walmart, people. Walmart. That's typical Walmart for you. So, anyways, that's it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Now, I'm gonna go wash this gold shit off of me, so I will see you guys next time.